What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully your trades are going well, and yeah, this installment is going to be Filecoin, FIL. I see some pretty interesting things on this chart, but there are some things we have to be worried about. Just saying, don't get mad at me. I'm just seeing it on the chart. Okay. Anyways, if you guys could like, subscribe, leave a comment, that'd be phenomenal. And yeah, other than that, maybe follow me on Twitter. Jump into Discord. There's a link down below. The Discord link. You can see a lot more charts that I end up posting up on a regular basis, so you can stay up to date on everything I am seeing in the charts. This is never financial advice. This is just educated opinion. We'll say that. And if you want to utilize some of my charts for your own education, you're more than welcome. Anyways, Filecoin, you can see we are getting these macro, so weekly support and resistances, which that is one thing I do like about FIL. It's very distinct where these support and resistance levels are. That helps me a lot. You can end up seeing we did break above this level. We currently back tested. Now let's go down to the daily. The daily is where I'm seeing some issues. I mean, the weekly stochastic RSI being overbought like that, that's fine. That doesn't matter. But when it comes to the daily, this is what worries me. So you can see down here on the relative strength index, you have a lower high. Oh wait, higher high, lower high, lower high. Was I seeing this correctly? I was not. That's what I was looking at. So right here, you have a higher high right there. So you have a high in the price, lower high in price, higher relative strength index. This is the same thing I saw in the video from last night where I was looking at SNX. This worries me. Down sloping resistance, up sloping strength. That's a strong indication of further downside where you would actually go and explore lower lows, generally speaking. However, if the market continues being bullish, we would see something completely different. We'd see it rise up, and we would actually see this bullish pattern it's painting on the lower time frames play out. So what am I talking about? So you can see right here, we had two bullish patterns, or probably three. So you had a bullish pattern here, shut out, bullish pattern, shut out. Now we're consolidating again. What am I talking about here? I'm sure you all are like, what? What's this guy even talking about? So you can see down here, we had a nice little bull flag. Right there, nice little bull flag. Came up, consolidated, came out, back tested, went up. Now the nice thing about how this moved was you not only back tested and moved up, so you hit the measured move, went even a little bit higher, then you back tested former support. That is phenomenal price movement. But what did you do there? You ended up consolidating once again. So you had another bull flag, another one right there, nice little bull flag. Same thing, we measure it from top, or from bottom to top. Hopefully I got the right one, cool. Now, this one almost hit its measured move, not quite, underperformed slightly, but we're back into this consolidation pattern. So on this consolidation, we're basically looking to do the exact same thing until it doesn't work anymore. However, this consolidation is not as clean, not nearly as clean, because you keep falling out of it. So those are little signs of weakness, which a little worrisome. However, if we do manage to actually break out of this thing, oddly enough, we continue our stair climb up, which then we would more than likely overperform slightly and get up to this next level of resistance at 675, which then on the daily, that's where this is really important, because on the daily we would then put in a higher high, or the measured move is to double top. But if we actually got a higher high, that would look really good on the chart. That would mean we do have a chance at continuation to the upside. Otherwise, if this does break down, because noted we are finding a lot of resistance at this 200 daily moving average, simple moving average, I would expect a retracement. Where's my drawing tool? I would expect a bit of a retracement, kind of something like this, and then possibly trying to go back up again. But don't want to do that. But it's all left in the cards. currently speaking, considering everything does look more bullish today, I could see something in the neighborhood of, let's get rid of this now, something in the neighborhood of maybe consolidating, chopping up a little bit, possible breakout. But what you want after the breakout is that confirmed backtest. That's where the long should be taken. Before that, you're kind of in no man's land. You're sitting in the middle. I mean, if we drew this as a channel, then you'd see it would just, we're not really at a great spot for taking any type of action. You have the heart line here that you just broke above and you have not back tested yet. So you really want to make sure that heart line holds. But that's just what I see out of Filecoin. I wanted to bring this to your guys' attention just because it does on the daily, on a more significant time frame, show a bit of bearish divergence. On lower time frames, it looks pretty solid. This is also how a lot of shorts end up getting their day, because there's a lot of people floating up on longs thinking it's going to go up. Then we get a long squeeze and it just goes down. Anyways, hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully you actually liked the video. Subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, because all of these are time sensitive, and join the Discord. It's a brand new Discord. It's fresh, new. It needs members. I'll catch you later.